Emily and Mary both ran this morning. A little chilly, but we warmed up nicely with some sunshine. And we've got more sunshine, and tomorrow is going to be even warmer. You may not even need that coat late tomorrow afternoon. There's a live view of Monument Circle. It's going to look different this time tomorrow because we are lighting up the circle of lights. And remember, if you're coming downtown, all of the festivities get underway during the early evening hours. Our live broadcast 7 to 8, but it is live. So we will remind you, if you are recording at home, to record that show after, just in case we go a few minutes over. 35 in Indianapolis right now, a south wind at 5. Today's high temperature 45, but we're likely to be 10 warmer than that tomorrow afternoon. We had lots of sunshine across central Indiana during the Thanksgiving afternoon, and we weren't the only ones with a quiet weather pattern. As expected, there were a few storms across the state of Florida and some lingering storms across the Pacific Northwest. And those two areas, especially out west, will stay active even through the end of the holiday weekend. For us, some sunshine on the way for Friday. Mild day for shopping out early, 8 a.m. 32, noon on Friday 48. We'll spend the afternoon hours, say 2 p.m. to 4 or 5 o'clock, in the low to mid 50s, so it is going to be mild. If you're headed downtown, you will need the coat. Temperatures tomorrow evening will fall back into the upper 40s for Circle of Lights. Remember, live on Channel 13 from 7 to 8. There will be a fast-moving weather system arriving late Friday night into early Saturday. That could bring a chance for a few showers. That moves out, so most of us will sleep right through it late Friday night, early Saturday. And speaking of Saturday, the clouds move out Saturday morning. Lots of sunshine for the Old Oaken Bucket game. This is Saturday afternoon at Ross-Ade, IU Purdue. Noon kickoff, temperatures will be in the low to mid 40s, so take the coat. I do think you'll need it. It's going to be a little breezy on Saturday too. The rest of the holiday weekend looks quiet across a good part of the country. The only exception will be the west. So if you do have travel plans out into San Francisco, Portland, Seattle, that's where we still could have a few weather-related delays. 55 on Friday, 51 on Saturday, breezy both days. A little cooler for the end of the holiday weekend. Saturday and Sunday, upper 40s, low 50s, but we're back 55 to 60 Monday and Tuesday. Another chance for some rain late Tuesday.